Hello and welcome, it's Toth here. I really appreciate that you are watching my video. Today is the second day of my Fawn Spring video series. If you missed yesterday's tutorial, you can find the link below. Today I will show you how to make quickly these sweet and cute shadowbox cards. For the cards I used several lawnfawn stamps, which are listed in the description box below. Now let's see the process. I started the card making with die cutting. I used various lawnfawn cardstock for it. By the way, my absolute favorite paper pack from the current release is the Spiffy Speckles. I love it so much and I use this paper a lot. I want to mention that I have a giveaway for this series on my blog. Come daily to see my tutorials and don't forget to comment on my blog each day to win a $50 value gift certificate to lawnfawn shop or a $50 value gift certificate to scrapbook.com. Today I have another giveaway on my Instagram too. All you need to do is to find the cards from this tutorial and comment which one would you like to win. For more information, visit the post link in the description box. I hope you will join my giveaways. I wish you good luck! Between the newest lawnfawn products you can find double-sided tapes which are easy to tear. This is really a time saver thing. I stamped the images from the Toadally and Rawrsome stamp sets, plus I colored a few more sets off camera, but now I am going to show you a quick coloring for these cute images. Now I am going to speed up the process. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. done, in the end I added heat embossed wavy sentiments to my card. I used sugar plum cardstock from lawnfawn. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If yes, give me a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your crafty friends on your Instagram stories or anywhere you want. If you are a subscriber, ring the bell so you won't miss any new tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks again, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye!